Tell me how to trust again. Dili na ko buhaton ilang gibuhat sa imo. Dili ti ka binuangan. Dili ko gusto mawala ka. Porket nabuhat na nila sa imo, mausab akong buhaton nimo. Dili ko pareha sa uban laki. Lahi sila. Lahi sab ko. If you guys are different from others, then why do you end up doing the same thing? I know majority of the girls, or maybe all of us already heard these words. Funny, isn't it? We keep on believing those promises, lisag na ay puruhan nga mapakyas gihapon. It all started when I met Elle, the boy I thought was my answered prayers. At first, okay kaayo mi. Same vibes, same feelings. I was so in love with him to the point na kaya na ko kalimtan iyang mga sala, ma-okay lang mi. I gave my all to him. Wala na'y nabilin pa nako maskin respeto man lang sa akong kaugalingon. Elle was my everything and my world. Not until I found out na duha di ay mi sa iyang kinabuhi. Ang nakapait is ako ikaduha. That means before pa ko, naanay mas una which is ang tinuod jud niya nga gihigugma. I had no choice but to give way, to let go, and move forward. A year after, I met Sir H, a teacher. He was my customer sa akong gitrabahuan. Nangayo siya sa akong phone number. At first, dilitan ako muhatag, pero kay dili man siya mugawa sa store o dili na ako tagaan. And that's it. We started texting and chatting. He keeps on telling me that I'm beautiful, smart, and attractive. He even thought that I was the owner sa store na akong gitrabahuan. Kay the way I dressed up daw, mura daw kog dato. Pero okay ra to mga sis. Months after, I realized, why not give Sir H a chance? Siguro naman, dili siya pareha ni Elle, diba? We became official. Mag-date, joyride, hatid sundo ko niya. He inspired me to do better and strive hard. He even said that he wants me to be his business partner. He had a lot of plans for us. Especially for me. Gusto niya mag-exam para mahimong sundalo. Paeskwelahon ko niya and many more. Pero taman radi ay sa plano ang tanan. Maskin ako sa akong kaugalingon, wala ako kabalo unsay nabuhat nako. Unsay mali. Asa ko nagkulang. I just woke up the next morning nga wa na ko na-receive na chat or text from him. Kalitang jud ang tanan. He left me with so many questions in my head. Wa na ko'y sundo inig out sa trabaho. Wa na'y sure nga kauban na ko plano sa tanan. And I was like, okay, it happened again. I tried to contact Sir H, okay? But when I didn't receive a reply from him, I stopped. Why would I waste my time sa tao nga dili nas ako ah? Nga nung mukod ko sa tao nga obviously gusto na mo palayo. Guys, when you're in love, don't be selfish. Give them the freedom they want, which I did. A year after, again, I met Clay. During those times na I'm with Elle, I already know him. Same when I was with Sir H. Clay was my Facebook friend. Isa siya sa mga sigiog chat, maskin pirmi isin. Mapansin na nako siya sa una pa lang, pero wa ko'y pakigyod. Clay would always react to my status, my picture, and my stories. This year lang nako siya napansin o gi-replyan. As usual, chat every day. Phone call and many stupid things na ginabuhat sa mga Y-label. One day, Clay told me, gusto na ako ma-official ta, pero gusto na ako sa personal. So ang nasabutan namo, since dili ko pwede mo uli tungod sa akong trabaho, siya na lang mo anhi sa ako ah. Sa boarding house siya na ako nagstay. 2 nights within that time, why istorya nga nahitabo. Why serious conversation between us since maulaw sab ko mo open up about namo. Gahuwat ra ko siya mauna. Pero niuli na lang siya balik sa ilaha, wag yun. Sa extra guri apas kay pagkaugma, nag-gold naman. Ako na lang sab gipasagdan kay a boy like him doesn't deserve me. How dare him do that to me? Pila ka years siya nagsinamok sa ako sige og papansin. Then now agitagaan na nakong chance, iyarang sayangan. Kawalan na to niya. So tell me nga lahi ramos tanan. Tell me nga worth it pa mo salig ug balik. Tell me ug angay pa ba mutuuhan. Boys, lahi ramog mga pangalan noun pero pareha ramog binuhatan. I'm not saying in general ha, but most of the boys are like that. You really think na makaayo nas inyo as individuals? Napayuban mo ingon, dili na tabata para magbinuang pa. Mature na daw, nya kalitrag kahanaw inighuman sa tanan. May tagmahanaw na sa mundiris kalibutan no. Please appreciate us who give you the chance bisag dili mo angay saligan para sa uban. Tagaan pud unta ninyong importansya ang tao nga ga-effort mahimo lang deserving para ninyo. I-appreciate sab unta ninyo ang tao nga ga-invest og time makauban lang mo. Dili lalim mo sugod sa permiro. But we take the risk, kaingon pa mo, dili ko pare sa uban nga biyaan o pasakitan ra ka. Can you stop making a promise if you're not willing to commit? Can you stop pretending you are so in love when you are not? Will you please stop cheating and playing someone's heart? If you court the girl para lang ingnon nga naa kay uyab, please can you not? Di ba when you court a girl, that means you see her as your future wife and a mother of your child? If that person is not included in your future, what's the purpose of letting that person be part of your life, right? Dito na naman ang mga bata para musulod sa relasyon na char-char lang. Stop playing around. It doesn't make you cool. It doesn't make you more handsome. In fact, it makes you undeserving for everything. Please stop using anyone for your own pleasure. Please don't make them believe with your lies. Please stop doing the things that make them doubt themselves. Hindi ka magsugod na i-question nila ilang kaugalingon o deserve ba nila higugmaon. Guys, we all deserve to be loved. Remember that. As a girl who knows her worth, I did not bother to chase them all. Kabalo mo, ug ang tao dili na gusto sa atua, let them go. Stop keeping the person that doesn't deserve to be kept. Ayaw og gukod. Ayaw og beg nga mo stay or mobalik sila sa imuha. Kay og nakatadhana siya para nimo, sugod pa lang unta, wala siya ni biya. Ako personally, never na ko gibuhat mamugos na piliin ko. Nahigugmaon ko kay kabalo ko na igilaan si Lord para nako. God will destroy your plans if your plans will destroy you. Do not question God for giving you a heartbreak. Instead, be thankful. He's keeping you away from the wrong person.